Authorities say an arsonist started this fire in Lake County, north of San Francisco, but dried vegetation caused by 4 years of drought led the blaze to spread through this rural community. There are 6 major fires still burning in California and others throughout the West. In Los Angeles, where many homes abut wilderness areas, officials say they are ready to fight the season's fires with newly leased aircraft, including so-called super scoopers that pick up water without landing.
Rivers, lakes, they can scoop up the water and be ready to go and fight fire continuously without having to ground unless they have to refuel.
This massive helicopter carries 10,000 liters of water, but it takes skill to maneuver it through fire zones.
You know, we're in an environment that's inherently dangerous to begin with, so making sure that you can see other aircraft in the flight path and the area around you and making sure you have good communications. Safety first with everything, and making sure that we're not dropping water on anything that's going to harm anybody below us.
Standing by in Los Angeles, pilots talk about the challenge of keeping themselves, firefighters, and equipment ready for the major fires that they know will come here.
It's very difficult, given an amount of pilots that you have, to continue 24-hour operations. Rotate those pilots through rest periods, rotate them back onto the fire is one of the biggest challenges. Also, another big challenge for helicopters and all the airplanes is maintenance, keeping the aircraft flying continuously.
U.S. officials say the fire season could continue until November in northern and central California, and with current drought conditions, could last even longer in the southern part of the state. Mike O'Sullivan, VOA News, Los Angeles.